Are you really feeling the power? Distinguished and honored guests, members of the board of the Home Furnishings Hall of Fame, members of the selection committee, dear family and friends. I'm greatly honored and truly humbled to be the recipient of this very special award and to join the ranks of such highly esteemed furniture veterans and luminaries of our industry who have been inducted since 1989. There is truly no greater or more profound honor that can be bestowed on an individual than to be recognized by one's own colleagues and peers. I applaud the founding members of the American Home Furnishings Hall of Fame Foundation for their vision and collective wisdom in establishing an organization that researches and preserves our industry's history and honors those individuals whose achievements have contributed to its growth and development. I want to recognize especially the leadership of the current board, particularly its president, Michael Amini, whose enthusiasm is contagious and knows no bounds. And whose commitment to transforming the organization is so evident in this evening's celebration. Thank you, Michael. As I accept this award, I want to acknowledge the most important person in my life whose passion for resurrecting an almost dying company led us to Stickley. When in 1974, Mrs. Stickley called my late husband and said, "Alfred, you're the only one who loves Stickley enough to keep its quality. Will you buy it?" With unabashed enthusiasm and exuberant youth, he exclaimed, "Would I, if only I can afford it." And being the eternal optimist, I said, "Why, of course you can." It shows how foolish I was. Hand in hand, we breathed new life into Stickley and nurtured it back to health. But we never dreamed that one day it would become the highly acclaimed and revered company that it is today. I am delighted that our industry honored Alfred by inducting him into the Furniture Hall of Fame in 2008. Over the years, we have struggled, survived, and prospered. And throughout it all, we have been richly blessed by God's amazing grace and sustained by his abiding love. None of our accomplishments would have been possible had it not been for a very supportive community and the talents, commitment, and dedication of our world-class Stickley team. For them, no task is impossible, no deadline unattainable, and no mountain too high to climb. They have our utmost respect, gratitude, and love. Please join me in giving the Stickley team a hand. And of course, our family has immense admiration and gratitude to our Stickley dealers, many of whom are here tonight. Their unparalleled loyalty has been unwavering throughout the years. Why, they even took a chance on mission, even though many of them doubted it would sell. Thank you, dealers, for being so daring. Finally, a very special thank you to our 3 wonderful children and their families who are here tonight. Edward and his lovely wife, Layla, Carolyn and her loving husband, Michael, and our amazing Andrea. I am also delighted that my cherished granddaughter, Anna Grace, is here tonight, and so is my nephew. Our children have always shared us generously with Stickley and the community, and thus this award belongs equally to them. I am very proud of the tremendous contributions each of them is making to enhance the communities in which they live. And I am especially proud of Edward's leadership at Stickley. With his insight, business acumen, and drive, and the commitment of our Stickley team, we will continue to enhance the Stickley legacy, always looking for new and creative ideas in our ongoing search for excellence. Congratulations to all of tonight's honorees on this well-deserved recognition. I am delighted to be amongst you. And many thanks to everyone involved in planning and organizing this wonderful evening. On behalf of my family and everyone at Stickley, I accept this award gratefully.